For me, Indigo is about the unity because every culture and region has their own unique Indigo practice and history and culture. We are all connected together, and that's the culture we share. So today's workshop is about sharing one of the printing technique called the soy paste resist technique. We are going to dye the fabrics with indigo. My main goal of this workshop is sharing that one of the dye technique and then how to grow indigo plants and the importance of sustainability. But the final goal of myself collecting the indigo fabric, I want to build really large bojagi quilt art. Early next year, I want to use that art as a fundraising tool to support youth who want to study about ecology or sustainability.
We're learning how to grow indigo in this park. Right now we're growing wild blue indigo, which is indigenous to this region, but we are going to grow the Korean indigo, which is used in a dye garden in phase 2 of this park next year.